Good morning everybody and welcome to Science with Sandy, brought to you by Cessnock City Library. Okay, today we're going to be using these little gummy bears to explore the idea of osmosis. Now, osmosis is when water molecules move from areas where there's lots of them to areas where there is less of them, to just even things up a bit. Now, this experiment needs a bit of patience. It will take a couple of hours, and if you wait even a little bit longer, like a couple of days, the results can be spectacular. But I'll show you how to set it up. So, for the gummy bears osmosis experiment, you will need 2 glasses, some salt, a teaspoon, and some water, and of course gummy bears. Okay, so let's pour the water into our glasses. 1, 2. Now, one of our glasses is going to be just ordinary water, nothing in it. The other one, we're going to put a few teaspoons of salt in. Now, if you remember from one of our other sessions, salt dissolves in water, doesn't it? So it makes a solution of salt and water. So do you think there might be maybe less water molecules in the salt and water? Have a think. Okay, so stir that up and pop 1 gummy bear in each. Plop and plop. Now, this is the part where you need a bit of patience. You have to leave them for at least 2 or 3 hours. So we'll put those ones aside and we will have a look at some I prepared earlier. You ready? Okay. Now, this first little gummy bear has been soaking in salt and water for about 4 hours. So let's have a look at him, shall we? Okay, he's still pretty much the same size, isn't it? Can you see that? Okay, so that was a solution of salt and water. Now, let's have a look at our gummy bear that's been soaking in the pure water for about 4 hours. There we go. Oh, he's very slippery and slimy. Now, can you see that he is much bigger than the little orange gummy bear? So he's taken in lots and lots of water. Now, I left a gummy bear in water for 2 days, and here's what happened. Basically turned into a jellyfish, really. Now, I'll just see if I can show you that one, because that was amazing. He's 3 or 4 times as big as our little orange gummy bear, and he's lost all his colour as well. Okay. Now, can you see that? I hope so. Okay. All right. Now, what has been happening? That's right, it's osmosis. Lots of water molecules have moved from areas where there was lots of them to areas where there was less of them. In this case, it was the gummy bear. But the gummy bear that was soaking in salty water, there was about the same number of water molecules in the solution as in the gummy bear. So it didn't grow, it grew a little bit, but Hardly at all. Okay, so I hope you have fun with your gummy bears, and remember, don't eat any of these ones that have been soaking, because I don't think they're that good for you. Even these little ones that haven't been soaking probably don't have too many of those either, but these ones in particular, once you finish the experiment, throw them out. Okay, everybody, I hope you enjoyed our gummy bears experiment today, and we will see you next time. Bye.